we all might have done the experiment yeah, in real, okay, but but it's very important and necessary that we also do it virtually. First try it and then implement in our real life. So for that we have many applications like that. So one of this is the Tinkercad, which is very user friendly, and all this teenagers can actually use it. So this is very simple to use. So here we are actually trying to make the IR sensor, IR sensor model. So here we go with that. So this is the Tinkercad application where we can virtually take the instruments and run any experiment.
Yes.
So
IR sensor will need three components. First of all, it is IR sensor.
Yeah.
Afterwards, it is Arduino.
1 second.
Use an Arduino.
Arduino R3. Yeah, there it is.
Okay. And last, it is LED.
Yeah, here we go.
Okay. Now
let's go with the wires. So this is the ground. So ground pin. This must be connected to the ground pin of the Arduino, and here we go with it. And then next is the output pin.
output pin.
So now this is the output pin. Here we there. Here and from here. Yeah, we have connected this to the output pin. Output pin is connected to the seventh pin of the Arduino, and the next one is the power. So power, we are connecting this to the so this is being connected to the 5-watt pin of the Arduino. Here it is. Yeah, we have connected it there. Then here is our LED. This must be connected. So the cathode is being connected to the ground. 1 second. Yes. And the other one 13. There's 13th pin. Yes, this is successfully connected. Yeah, we can just change the colors here to reduce the ambiguity while we are doing this thing, connections. So any color there. Any color there. So this can be any color here. So I have changed all the colors of these wires so that we don't get confused with them while connecting any pins.
Okay. Now I'm starting the simulation of this. What I've made this IR sensor, which my friend helped me. So I'll start. Why do you need to simulate that? You can check whether if it is working or not. See, this is working. Means it is working.
The light is
blinking now. Okay. Now using Tinkercad, I can do the simulation that what can happen. Ma'am, come. Okay. I've made this IR sensor. If you want to check if it is working or not, you can check. You have to just go to start simulation. It will start simulating. See, the LED is blinking. Means which I made this, it is working. Now, if you want the code to put it in Arduino IDE, you have to just go to code, and this is the blocks. Through blocks, it can be easily to code. Afterwards, you have to do block text plus block and text. It's done. You can get the code from here. It's easy to work on this Tinkercad.
Ideal class, we are gonna implement this. So we have all the instruments which are required. So we are done with all this experiment in this virtually. So this is successfully working. So in the next class we'll be doing the same, and we'll run the program.
Yes.